Track the handful of financial metrics that actually determine whether a concrete business stays profitable or collapses. Focus first on revenue by job and by month, recording the full contract value when signed and any change orders when they occur. Track gross profit margin on each job by subtracting direct costs like materials, labor, subcontractors, and equipment rental from revenue and dividing that result by revenue so you see percent profit per job. Calculate contribution margin to cover overhead by separating variable costs from fixed costs and verifying each job contributes enough to cover your monthly fixed costs, such as office rent, insurance, and salaried staff. Maintain a rolling job cost report that is updated daily or weekly, showing estimated versus actual labor hours, material quantities and unit costs, and equipment hours so you can identify scope creep or estimating errors early. Monitor cash flow on a weekly basis by projecting cash inflows from receivables and schedule draws against payables and payroll to avoid surprises. Build a simple 30, 60, and 90-day cash plan and update it when payments or change orders shift. Finally, compute return on invested capital for major equipment purchases by estimating incremental net income generated by the equipment divided by the purchase price, and use a payback threshold such as 2 to 3 years to guide buy versus rent decisions. Common mistakes are underestimating labor burden by forgetting payroll taxes, workers' compensation adjustments, and benefits, which inflates job cost estimates. Fix this by calculating a labor burden rate and applying it to hourly wages every time you estimate. Another is ignoring small change orders that add up and erode margins. Solve this by implementing a clear change order process that requires sign-off and immediate entry into your job cost system as soon as it is approved. A third problem is relying solely on revenue growth without tracking cash flow, which creates growth that is not sustainable. Prevent that by maintaining a cash reserve equal to at least 90 days of fixed costs and by using progressive billing tied to project milestones. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local concrete contractors and find project ideas and guidance. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where members share estimating tips, payment practices, and real-world lessons.